Driving test. Show me, tell me questions. Every car is different, so your instructor will teach you how to carry out these checks on your specific vehicle. Tell me questions. These are asked verbally at the start of your test. You don't have to demonstrate it. Tell me, how would you check the brakes are working before setting off? Push the brake pedal down and check it feels firm and responsive. It shouldn't feel soft or loose. Once you're moving, the car should brake in a straight line without pulling to one side. Tell me, where would you find the recommended tire pressures, and how would you check them? Check the owner's manual for the correct pressures, then use a reliable pressure gauge to check each tire while cold. Replace the valve caps when done, and check the spare tire if the car has one. Tell me, how would you check the tires are safe and have enough tread depth? Inspect each tire for cuts or bulges. The legal minimum is 1.6 millimeters of tread depth across the central 3/4 of the tire and around its entire circumference. Tell me, how would you know if there was a fault with your ABS? A warning light on the dashboard will come on to indicate a problem with the anti-lock braking system. Tell me, how would you check the indicators are working? Turn on the hazard warning lights, ignition on if needed. Then walk around the car to check all 4 indicators are flashing. Tell me, how would you check the brake lights are working? Press the brake pedal and ask someone to confirm the lights come on. Or check the reflection in a window, wall, or garage door if you're on your own. Tell me, how would you switch on the rear fog lights, and when would you use them? Turn on the dipped headlights, then switch on the fog lights. A warning light on the dashboard confirms they're active. Only use them when visibility drops to around 100 meters or less. For the Show Me questions, head over to the Show Me questions video.